Here's 5 times cops deliver a reality check to entitled women. Officers were called to a hotel after a political disagreement turned violent. But this woman is about to do something completely shocking to this officer.
I'm cool. I'm not gonna hurt nobody, babe.
Scratch me in my face.
Okay. Do you need medical?
No.
No? Why is she scratching your face? What happened?
I was trying to de-escalate and get her out.
Okay.
Because she became very confrontational.
Was anything physical?
No, the only thing that I did was smack his hand out of my face.
Did he touch you, or he just came like
He
this?
went right here in my space. I said, get your hands on my face, bitch.
She started asking them who they were voting for, and
Because he tried to put his finger in my square and I smacked his goofy ass.
Do me a favor, just stay here with my partner and I'll be right with you. Is this lady allowed to go back to her room?
Manage it herself, yes.
She's not allowed to stay?
Unfortunately, she has to leave with just
You gonna give me
everything.
my money back? Because I could go to my room and be peaceful. Give me my money back. That's cool. Come on.
Come here.
If I have to leave and they don't have to leave, I'm reversing on that ass.
So let's get your stuff.
You guys suck with medical care, you suck with justice, and you always take these sides when you know it's people like that that get us to our limit. Yeah, in the middle of the night. That's why they want me gone. Come on.
How much stuff you have?
Huh? A lot.
A lot?
In the middle of the night. Where the f am I gonna go? Sit in front of their building for 50 hours?
There's other hotels around. Let's get your stuff.
Where am I supposed to go?
Let's get
To
your
jail?
stuff. Ma'am, come on. Let's just get your stuff.
The only place I could check in is those hotels with prostitutes and crackheads.
Any hotel.
Grab your stuff.
Can you please give
Grab
me
your
time to
stuff.
figure out where I need to go?
You're 2 seconds away from going to jail. Hey, listen. I'm giving you your warning
Can you
now.
tell? This
Ma'am,
is a
I'm giving
warning,
you your
but
warning
why are
now.
you treating
Not
what
no-
fight happened?
Well, there was an argument that apparently got physical. You even mentioned to me that you slapped the guy because he came close to you.
You want to invade my privacy for some bullshit? Move! I got stuff.
Don't lock the door.
I need to change. Move!
Grab your stuff.
All right, bet. This is what we doing. Come on now. I gotta change out the dress. You want the show?
Grab your stuff.
Yeah, I am.
Put it up. Put your
Come
clothes
on
on.
now. You know this is illegal, right?
Put your clothes on.
You know it's illegal, right?
Yeah, put your clothes and let's go.
I'm trespassed?
Yes. They just gave you your warning.
She gave me a trespass?
Ma'am.
Go get my money.
Get out of my face.
Stop playing with me. Hold on. I moved.
No.
I got out your face.
Well, jail.
I got out your face, babe.
Are
Yes,
you gonna
babe.
put your clothes and
Yes. I'm the perfect candidate. At night. Go ahead, baby. Let's go.
thank you for your permission.
Yeah, you need the queen's permission. I'll smack the shit out of you, too.
Ma'am, are you leaving property or not?
Push the cart.
Are you leaving?
I can't leave with this cart in the street.
Then call the Uber that you said you were going to call.
All right, well, give me time to figure out where I'm going to go. Where am I going if I'm sitting right here and going to come back in the room to get water? Come on now.
Figure out.
Well, shut up. You distracted my greatness. It's 10 o'clock at night. Let me find another room. Not you. You don't have no money for 15 days. My room is $157 a day. Push the cart. Stop playing with me, bro. I don't want to go to jail.
You're going to jail. Stay tight.
Can you just push the cart?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
You're going to jail.
Now the cuffs are on, she goes from being belligerent and rude to playing the victim. But what she does next will earn her some serious charges.
Stop fighting.
Fighting, stop resisting. No, ma'am, you're under arrest.
Sit down.
No,
Sit down.
Stop grabbing my gun.
No, I don't want to grab a gun. I don't want to go to jail. I just want to go to sleep. Please.
Wait.
I'm not.
You're grabbing my gun. Ma'am, stop resisting. Stop resisting.
Where to go?
Put your leg
Okay,
up.
please.
Stop
Please.
resisting.
Babe, please.
Stop resisting.
Please. Please. I promise.
Stop kicking.
I'm not.
Stop kicking. Stop fighting.
I'm not fighting.
You just did.
Bring it down to her ankles.
Please let me go, babe. I already cried. Why me? Stop.
Ow! Not fighting.
Get off of me.
Ah!
Get off of me. You gotta take.
Jesus. Got it? He's on?
Yeah.
Damn it.
No. Well, neither one.
She was charged with resisting without violence, battery on an LEO, and trespassing. Our next wannabe Karen was about to get a speedy attitude check from these no-nonsense cops.
I'm just gonna leave.
You actually don't have a choice. We will be having a conversation.
Okay, well, I'm gonna show you my receipt.
I don't need to see your receipt.
Okay, well, I want a refund for my money.
What is the problem besides
She
her
was
being
golfing.
intoxicated?
She
Okay.
was golfing on the golf course. And we got a call 12 about her out there just on the course, going through guys' games, being belligerent.
We can talk about it.
Ma'am.
Because clearly you don't want to be here, I'm okay with that.
Honey,
do
you think I would be here if I don't want to be here?
I don't know you. I don't even know why you're here. So that's where we are.
This is about a respect thing.
Are you a member here, ma'am?
I'm gonna show you.
I just want to know if you're a member. They're trying to figure out if you're a member or not.
Okay, well, that's the thing. So they don't even. I'm about to call my mother and father, and like you're both there. Everybody's disrespecting the of me, and like that's the thing.
Okay, well, right now I'm going to ask you for your identification.
That's
okay?
fine. But you know what? I'm gonna show you. I want a refund for my.
Go ahead and show me your ID, ma'am.
You know what?
I'm
You
not-
can go off.
I'm not.
You
okay.
can.
All right. No, you're done. You're done.
Hands behind your back.
No.
Hands behind your back.
No, you know what?
Stop,
No,
stop,
you know
stop.
what?
No.
No, I'm
No.
sorry. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm
You're
sorry.
at Ennis
I
Brook.
apologize.
Listen,
I
stop.
apologize. I
No,
apologize.
no, it's too late for
Hands behind
apologizing.
your back.
Okay, I apologize.
Stop, ma'am, stop. Do not fight. Ma'am, listen, do not fight. Stop fighting.
I'm not fighting.
Do not resist, okay? Right now you are under arrest and you're resisting. Stop.
Can you stop? Can you stop? Can you stop? Stop. Can you stop? This is fine, right?
All right, hold on.
Ow! It's fine. Ow!
Get down on the ground. Get down. Yep.
Is this funny?
Okay.
What? Is this funny to you guys? Is this funny to you guys?
I'm not laughing. My fingers on it. Hold on.
Is this funny to you guys?
Got it. What could have been a simple conversation just turned into you being handcuffed.
Stand up.
Yep. You want to open his door?
Ow!
Put your foot down. Stop kicking me. Put your foot down and stop kicking me. Have a seat in there. Have a seat back.
You know,
Ma'am, listen. Back up in there.
this is not.
Go backwards. Go backwards. Can you pull her back?
Wait, what? Come on. What is going on? There we go. What is going on? Excuse me. What is
She was eventually charged with resisting without violence and disorderly intoxication. Nobody loves going through TSA, but this entitled woman is about to ruin her own week rather than just behaving like an adult.
the hell? I'm
Ma'am.
now this is the police here. Somebody's gonna help me now. He's mad because they not doing their job. I just paid $189 to skip TSA. I just missed my flight. My flight is at 7 o'clock. I've been trying to get to my flight. Nobody's helping me. She said, go down here. What's the white dude? The white dude left. Ain't nowhere to go. All I'm trying to get is direction, and his punk ass up here getting mad at me because I'm trying to get to my damn flight.
Calm down.
He gonna say, I didn't say I was gonna slap you. That wasn't directed towards you.
Ma'am.
If the shoe fit, wear it.
Ma'am.
I wasn't directing it towards you.
Ma'am, come on, let's.
Don't scare nobody. I wasn't
Ma'am.
talking to you.
Ma'am.
Do your job.
Ma'am.
You don't like your job, quit.
Ma'am, I'm here to help you.
Okay, love it with a smile.
Ma'am,
The
help you. Step
you
out
don't
here.
even know me.
Ma'am, step out here, please. What's your first name?
Y'all know somebody's gonna refer me,
Ma'am.
or I will be happy
Listen.
with a smile on my face.
Ma'am.
I'm going to jail.
Listen to me, okay? That's the last thing you want.
Entitlement.
That is the last thing you want to do.
How is it the last thing y'all want to do? Ain't nobody helping me.
I'm trying to help you, but you're yelling. Stop yelling. Talk to me. Let me help you.
Okay,
Because if you don't let me help you,
you don't gotta scream at me. If
you're screaming at me.
If I'm frustrated, it's not good for you to be frustrated. I don't care. Don't none of y'all scare me. That gun and shit, that badge don't scare me. So you can stop screaming at my face.
now, let's calm down. What airline will you flying?
Frontier.
Frontier. You want to go to Frontier and let's see if we can rebook you?
Yeah.
Where are you going? Do you know where you're flying to?
Philadelphia.
Apparently TSA supposedly hurt because all she does is yelling.
That's obvious. I heard her all the way down there.
Yeah, she said they were not helping, they're being racist. So now she wants to cut in front of the line because now she wants her money back. She doesn't want to fly.
You got an ID on you? You got nothing? What about?
I got my
Show me anything that I can pull up.
I just
need
don't
a refund.
So it was you. TSA didn't charge her, right? It was you guys.
Yeah, we
Okay.
rebooked her.
You rebooked her.
She still don't have an ID.
So when they went to do additional screening, it's apparently when she became irate. Okay. So they're going to refuse to let her through. So I just gave her a refund.
The problem is your act. Okay, well, let me explain it to you.
You take me as a threat.
No, let me. Are you going to stop talking and let me tell you what happened
You
earlier?
feel threatened. You feel threatened about me because I'm standing up for my rights. It's just the problem. And I'm going to speak to your higher up. You think you the boss? No, you have somebody over.
Somewhere to
And
go.
I have a lawyer.
Do you have somewhere to go? You're banned from TSA, so you can't fly through here. You can go to another airport, okay?
I'm not banned from TSA. I have not gotten any written document. It was just verbal. It has to be written. If you're banning me for anything, trespassing or anything, it has to be on document.
So you want to go down that trespass road?
You can. If y'all want to go down the trespassing road, it's not
up to
me.
you.
I didn't threaten y'all. I didn't do anything.
Trespass from here. You no longer walk on airport property.
Like to leave?
I'm not leaving. I'm not.
Like to leave?
I'm not leaving.
You're gonna go to jail. You're gonna go to jail if you don't leave.
Oh, I'm scared. I'm scared. Hands up, don't shoot.
Are you tired?
Like, don't nobody give a about that. How am I causing you to
If you want to walk that way, you can go.
I'm speaking to you. I'm having a conversation to you, and that's not causing a disturbance. And I'm loud.
It's time.
If you want to start walking, you can. Here, I don't want you to drop your phone.
You're ready to go? We'll have 10:15.
Can I call my lawyer?
Yep. When you get to the jail.
They got me. They got a black woman. They grabbing me tight. They got a black woman. They entitled. I'm gonna let my lawyer attorney know that as well. Who's there?
Good.
Yep.
Have a seat. And put her seatbelt on. Let me.
Mother to mother, the best thing you do is just be quiet and calm down, okay? Okay? That's all I'm gonna say.
She was charged with trespassing and disorderly conduct. This drunk driver can't understand what she's done wrong and needs cops to spell it out for her.
Ma'am, step out. Step out. Okay, you need to step out.
So I think I have a flat.
What's the front of my car?
I think it's like the
Stop,
right.
stop, touch. Okay, yeah, what's going on?
Oh, I have a flat tire.
You have a flat tire?
Yes.
Stop moving. Stop moving. Okay. I need another unit to go north of me and check what she hit, if there is another car involved or not. Her car was driving on the rim. The front passenger side tire does not there anymore. All right, stop moving. Okay. What's going on?
Nothing. I just was trying to get home, and my tires aren't working.
Your tire is not working?
Yeah.
Okay, where are you coming from?
Summerland.
Okay.
Yeah.
What did you hit? Did you hit anything? Did you hit another car? Can you stay with her? Thank you. I'm gonna have extensive front end damage too. I'm gonna need a rotation open snubber, please.
Looks like she hit the wall right here. Guessing this is her rim. This piece right here was in the road. And here's a bumper.
All right, ma'am. So you're being detained now, okay? You're not under arrest. I just detained you, okay? So you crashed your car. Can you tell me what happened? How you crashed your car?
I don't really know.
You don't remember or you don't know?
No, I know. It was just like an inconsiderate person that just was parked in the wrong place. Actually backed into that.
So why you have a damage to the front of your car?
That is not my fault. That was like a previous job. I live on with.
Okay.
And unfortunately, tourists and things like that, they just like back into my car. I don't care.
Do you know why I pulled you over? Do you know why I stopped you?
Yeah.
Why?
Because I was being bad.
Because why?
I wasn't very like good.
Good in what? What do you mean?
Well, I wasn't definitely like taking accountability of the road. I was definitely like thinking more about myself and not.
And at what place you crashed your car?
I don't know.
I'm sorry?
I in my bunker like 15.
You crashed?
That dude like just traveled a little bit like.
Or how you crashed your car?
I mean, I just hit him. It was awful.
You hit who?
Hit the driver.
You hit the driver?
Yeah, he like pulled out and I didn't have time to brake.
Did you crash into the concrete barrier in the construction zone? No, that was not you?
35-hour zone.
I'm sorry?
That's a 35-hour zone. So no, I don't like.
It's a 35-hour zone.
Yes, a 35 mile per hour zone.
Okay.
So I definitely do not like do that over.
So that's not the place you crashed?
No.
So why we have a pieces of the car over there?
Fuck fun. Honestly, like.
Why did you continue to drive?
Because I want to be home.
Okay, so you crashing your car and you just driving home?
I didn't think there was like that much damage, and it was cool.
Did you speak to the person that you crashed into?
No, dude, that person zoomed off real quick.
Oh, so they fled?
100%.
Okay. So I'm done with a crash investigation at this point, okay? What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start criminal DEI investigation, okay? I believe that you are impaired.
Okay.
So before I'm gonna start with anything, I'm gonna advise you about your rights, okay?
Thank you.
So with those rights in mind, do you wish to talk to me?
I don't think so.
That's fine. Because I'm suspecting that you are impaired, I'm gonna ask you if you're willing to participate in some field sobriety exercises.
Let's do it.
To disprove my belief that you are impaired.
Sure.
Yes, okay.
You know what? The longer I think about it, I'm gonna reject all of that.
But let me explain you something, okay? You don't have to do them.
And I will.
Okay? Those exercises are voluntary. The fact that you refuse to take those exercises, it can be used against you in a court later. Do you understand
Makes
it?
total sense. Yes.
Do
Absolutely.
you still refuse to take those exercises?
Yep.
So right now I'm placing you in the custody for DUI. I'm gonna transport you to a QSBI room and I'm gonna offer you a breath test. So we're gonna measure alcohol content in your breath. Are you gonna take it?
No.
So now let you know because you have a prior refusal in the past.
Yeah. No, I refuse it over and over again.
Let me explain you something. Hold on, listen to him. Because you refused in the past, and if you refuse today, that's gonna be extra charge. Did you understand it? Yes or no?
Yeah, I comprehend.
I'm sorry?
I comprehend, yes.
You understood it?
I comprehend, yes.
I'm not asking if you're comprehending.
Well, that is the... Yes, I do understand.
Perfect,
I
thank you.
comprehend.
All right. Let's go for the back of my car.
Okay.
Just let me move this out of your way, okay?
Okay.
She was charged with DUI, DUI with damage to property, reckless driving, leaving the scene of a crash, and refusal to submit to a DUI test. This next woman claims she's got President Trump on speed dial. Let's see what the cops think to all that.
About time.
So what's going on?
Been working with Trump on a bunch of different projects. Actually, you guys too.
Yeah.
Doing aerospace information aid app for national security, law enforcement, first responders and stuff. Real estate to go over with him. He's supposed to start today. Help him with appointments and help market and promote the club. And I got both. It needs to be.
Then who did you set this up with?
Trump.
Well, unfortunately, they don't have any record of that, and he's not available and not here, so you're going to have to reach out to his people to try to confirm whatever appointment you think you have, but
I always deal with him directly.
yeah, well, they don't have any record of your name or any meetings or anything like that, so right now they've called us to tell you that you're not welcome here right now. It's a private club, and that you're going to have to go. Is it possible that I can see your identification?
Sure.
Does this vehicle belong to you? Because it's coming back abandoned.
Abandoned?
Yeah.
No.
Did you ever leave it somewhere? I see there's some writing on the car. Where did that come from?
Transported me from the road to the hospital. I don't know, maybe three or 4 weeks ago, and they towed it.
What hospital did you go to?
Beach Lakes.
Medical?
Yeah.
And everything worked out okay for you at the hospital?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, I was supposed to be in court that day.
All right, just give me 1 second. If she hasn't been trespassed from any of these properties yet, you want to issue a trespass? She has been trespassed from this property. All right, let me check it out. She's saying she might be flagged by Secret Service. She says she works directly with Trump. She works on real estate deals with him. She talks to him directly.
What's going on? Why do I know you?
Yes.
Oh, you were sleeping in your car at the gas station. Yeah.
So unfortunately, Miss Gates, there's a warrant for your arrest.
A warrant for what?
Yeah, for failure to appear. So I just need you to put your hands behind your back.
I didn't fail to appear, though.
It's okay. We're going to take care of it. This is how
And I've been working with all of you. You guys know where I am.
I'm going to help hold you up here, okay?
One hand, right? We're going to get it all taken care of today.
Yeah.
All right.
No 2 days as a cop are the same, that's for sure. This woman was charged with failure to appear and trespassing. The entitlement in this video was absolutely crazy. Don't forget to subscribe to see more crazy situations the cops have to deal with. Or check out my other videos right now.